Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Gudshuis. In this video, we're going to cover how to install Terraform on Windows, covering all the common errors and solutions. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Terraform 103. Terraform installation on Windows with tfenv. Manage multiple Terraform versions easily. Let's install Brave browser on Windows. Brave is the preferred choice due to its speed and privacy features. It blocks trackers by default and provide a better browsing experience for developers who often deal with multiple open tabs. I like the Brave browser, so I'm going to show you how to install and move forward with other steps. This will be used to access and download the required tools easily. So next, we'll install Scoop, a simple command line installer for Windows. It helps manage packages like Terraform and makes installation command line tools much easier. So let's get started. Let's open the browser and type in Scoop. I'm going to maximize the appearances. So it's a command line installer for Windows. So for the quick start, let's copy the set execution policy and invoke REST method and paste it in the terminal interface. So the command fetches the installation script for Scoop. And you can see that Scoop is already installed. You can check out my other video on installing of Scoop. So let's type in the command scoop install tfenv. This command attempts to install tfenv using Scoop. Oops, command couldn't find the manifest from tfenv. So this error indicates that tfenv is not listed in Scoop package manager. So Scoop repository doesn't have tfenv by default. So let's move on installing the Chocolatey package manager. The Chocolatey is one of the most popular package manager for Windows, and it often has more packages available compared to Scoop. Let's install it next. Let's follow the instructions to set up. Install Chocolatey, the package manager for Windows. Click on the product on the top right corner and there will be a drop down, and click on Chocolatey Open Source and the largest repository of Windows package. Click on Install Chocolatey and scroll down till you see the installation steps. Install Chocolatey of individual use. Copy that command, set execution policy bypass, and paste it in the terminal window and hit enter. The command set the execution policy to allow the script to run without admin rights. Oops, we need admin rights for this command to run. So let's open a new terminal, run as an administrator. Now the terminal is open with the administrative rights. Right click and paste the command and click on enter. So after rerunning the command, it says the Chocolatey upgrade command, because it has already detected that Chocolatey is existed on the PC. So we need to first upgrade Chocolatey. Oh, there is another error. It says verify the path is correct and try again. So the error encountered is fails due to corrupted or incomplete installation earlier. We need to remove the Chocolatey folder manually and rerun the command for execution. So let's type in the command remove -item -recursive -force and the location where the Chocolatey was installed. C program data Chocolatey. So this command deletes the entire Chocolatey folder forcefully and recursively, clearing any previous installation files. So once this command is executed, we're going to rerun the installation command for Chocolatey to ensure a clean setup. So once this is installed, completed, so I'm able to see that Chocolatey profile is installed now. Let's go ahead to the browser page and search for tfenv. tfenv may not be directly listed, so you use tenv, and you might see that tenv instead. Let's copy the command choco install tenv. So let's copy the command and paste it in the terminal and hit enter, and this will install the Terraform. and hit yes or A for all. So let's validate installation with tfenv. Run the command tfenv. Check if the command works, but you might encounter an error indicating that tfenv isn't set up correctly. Running tenv fetches the list of available Terraform releases. If this works, it confirms the installation of tenv. The command lists all the installed versions of Terraform. So let's select 1.9.8 version and type in the command tenv list. Oh, there is an error. The command list has given me an error saying unknown command. It could be due to the missing dependencies or incorrect setup. Type in the command Terraform version. This displays the current version of Terraform installed on the PC, confirming the setup is complete. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Terraform on Windows using tfenv. Instead of tfenv, we have installed tenv through Chocolatey. We covered installing the Brave browser, setting up Scoop, troubleshooting with Chocolatey, and finally managing Terraform version with tenv. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to comment below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gudshuis. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.